Hi guys, so this is Nadia from Mama Hearts Polish. I am also the maker of Moonflower Polish, Stamping Polish, and I'm making this really quick video to show you guys how I use my Lantern and Wren Seriously Slim stamper. I have the original version of the stamper that first came out, and it is a very super soft, super squishy marshmallow type stamper way back in the day when I first started stamping. Marshmallow stampers were my preferred way of stamping. I find them to be a little bit easier to use than clear stampers, but they are slightly different. Some people in the All About That Stamp group are having some issues or haven't figured out how to use this. You can now buy the new version of the stamper, which comes with a blue, I think it's a slightly more medium firm silicone head, which I think is a little bit easier to use than the super soft squishy one. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys how you use that stamper really quickly. I'm going to be using the all the hearts plate from Lantern and Wren. So how you might want to use a stamper like this is for these type of images that are super small, and you don't really need to see exactly where you're going to place it on your nail, or your experience in placing it on your nail, or like my current issue, which is that I have filed my nails super short. Using any image really, or any these slightly smaller images would work on these really super short nails, or just for a little detailed design. When you're lining up an image with a stamper like this, you just go like this and sort of like boop and place it on your nail, or you just, if you covers up the whole stamper and it doesn't matter, then you can just go like that. So okay, I don't have my nails painted, so I'm gonna be just stamping on this, which is these little tiny nail art mats, which are also from Lantern and Wren. I'm using my let's do this one, Moonflower Polish in Noche, which is black. Scrape. So you want to do is add on a very light, quick roll. Super light, super fast. So because it is a squishy stamper, it kind of got a little bit distorted because of the angle I was stamping at. So that is because I think I applied a little bit too much pressure, but you know, it picked up nicely, as you can see. All I did to the stamper for priming it, and I say priming in quotation marks because all I did was wash it. I wash it with dish soap and let it air dry, and as you can see, I just have masking tape, and I just stick it on the masking tape. You can use a lint roller or anything like that. Let's do this little image with the, here it is, this little image here. And another technique that you can also do, you don't need that much polish when you're doing these tiny, okay, grab my scraper, drop the scraper. When you're doing these tiny images, you don't need, so another technique you can do, you don't need that much polish. Another technique you can do is just boop up and down gently. So you would then use some tape to remove that part of the image that you didn't want to. I'm going to try this again. Okay, so my camera is running out of battery, so really quickly, sometimes when the image isn't a super clear pickup, it's just really a matter of changing the angle. I'm going to do this one, or the direction that you're scraping at. So the other technique that I was mentioning, which is that on camera? There we go. Just a slight boop, what I call it. It's not as nice a pickup, there we go, as when you are rolling up and down, but it is another technique if you're having issues with the rolling. And I'm going to do rolling one last time. I'm taking it out of the stamper because my camera is kind of like not focusing on it because I'm too close to the camera. Because it's so small. So changing the angle, I'm going to do this image here. So really quickly, just apply, scrape, and then the really quick soft roll, and then you would just remove the part of the image that you don't want, and and you would just stamp that, you know, stamp that on your nails. Like I said, I'm removing it from the stamper because my camera doesn't want to focus on it. So that's about it. I could do a more in-depth video later with some actual nail art, but this was just sort of like a quick demo of how you use the seriously slim stamper. Sorry if it's out of focus or anything. Okay, bye.